Someone asked me about the 3D printed texture roller I had in my last video, so I'm rolling out some clay and I'm about to put some texture in it. So I thought I'd talk about that one and maybe a couple of the other ones I have. So this is the roller I used in my previous video. What I like about this one, it's very long. It took forever to print because I bought an old secondhand 3D printer, but it still works, so I will show you that here. I don't normally put cornstarch on my texture rollers because I find if I keep the pressure even, and not too hard, but just nice and even, it won't stick. And you can see here, it's not sticking. Ta-da! So there's the imprint, really nice. So here's the second roller. As you can see, it's not as long. It's a little bit wider, but this is fine because this is almost exactly the width I want for what I'm going to cut out of the clay. So let's go. Oh, that's going in nicely. It's hard to film and roll at the same time. Fortunately, my octopus third hand is coming in handy. Good. That's quite nice too. So I'll put a link to those two makers in the comments so you can find the files and print them out yourself. Let me know if you want me to do any more rollers that I have. If you want me to show you what they look like before you get them yourself, I'm happy to do that. And if you do want to see what that first roller looks like on a piece of pottery when it's finished and glazed, you can watch this video here. Thanks for watching.